houses of parliament here present to say something on behalf of the institution. Otherwise, I can tell you, my father, there will be a problem. Let me call Honorable Sylvanus Osoro, the majority whip in the National Assembly, to pass his words of comfort to the family.
Thank you very much, Honorable Peter Kaluma. To the family of our departed colleague, Reverend Father, my colleagues, God is good and all the time. Honorable Speaker, I stand here in two folds, and I must declare that I am well known to the family of the Honorable Were through his first wife who works in Kisii. And it's quite unfortunate because when I received the calls about the demise of my colleague, I was actually receiving them from Kisii on first instance, because I think every person that comes from Kisii knows that the first wife works there, and we've been working together for several years, I think 7 years now, serving the government of Kenya. That morning when the Honorable Were passed on, before the Honorable Were passed on, myself and a few of my colleagues, I think it was a member for Ruiru and Dr. Kose, were training at the gym in the morning at around 6 a.m. He was in high spirits, giving us a plan on how he intends to, run around the politics of the day. But of course, later, he sat alone at the corner. I think from about 4 p.m. thereabout. Wasn't looking very okay. It looked like he was so disturbed. Any person that would pass by would agree with us that he wasn't the normal Were that we all knew. But we've interacted with the Honorable Were in several occasions, all through from 2017 when he first got elected. And I must confess here that Honorable Were did not have any issue with any of his colleagues. He's never had any squabble, so to say, with any member of parliament that they served with. He used to frequent my office severally. And the very last occasion, I think they came with Honorable Rosa Buyu. I may not really want to disclose the discussion that we had then, but it was really, really deep. So what I would say to the family is that be strong, God is with you. But to the government and the security agencies, we appreciate the efforts that you've put so far in apprehending the 4 suspects. But we ask you that you still haven't brought the real culprits. We need to know who exactly sent those young men to murder our colleague. It shouldn't be that those people that we saw on TV, that there is a person walking around the street captured by the camera. I don't think that person woke up in the morning and told himself, today I'm going to do this particular crime. He must have been sent by somebody. Who is that person? That is the question you're asking the DCI and the security agencies. We appreciate the effort so far. We believe in due time we will know the motive. May the soul of our departed colleague rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much.
The Honorable Junet, who is